S&P 500 Complete is your go-to for regular updates on all 500 stocks. Subscribe so you never miss out. Let's jump in. This could be huge for Nucor. The steel giant just crushed Q4 earnings with a massive 58% earnings surprise, beating estimates by 45 cents per share. Trading at just $139, NUE is sitting 32% below its 52-week high of $203, and here is why this might be the opportunity of the year. First, we are looking at unprecedented federal tailwinds. The CHIPS Act alone is driving over $450 billion in semiconductor projects that need massive amounts of structural steel. Nucor is already supplying 8 major semiconductor facilities under construction, and they are perfectly positioned to capture this multi-year demand surge. Second, their sustainability advantage is game-changing. Nucor produces steel with 67% lower emissions than traditional blast furnace methods, processing over 10 million tons of scrap annually. As customers prioritize low-carbon steel, this gives them a massive competitive moat that is only getting stronger. Third, they are executing a $7 billion growth investment program that will add approximately $1.5 billion in annual EBITDA once fully ramped. The new West Virginia sheet mill alone represents $3.1 billion in capacity for automotive grade. Galvanizing that is transformational growth. Fourth, the valuation is compelling. At a forward PE of just 13.87, analysts have a consensus target of $157. That is 13% upside. Jefferies just upgraded to buy with a $170 price target, and institutional ownership sits at 79%, showing smart money confidence. Finally, they are shareholder-friendly legends. 208 consecutive quarterly dividends with 52 years of increases. They returned to $0.74 billion to shareholders last year, representing 57% of net income over the past 3 years. That is capital allocation excellence, now full transparency. There is one major concern here. Steel overcapacity is huge, with 602 million metric tons expected to soar to 721 million tons by 2027. Chinese steel exports more than doubled since 2020, creating deflationary pressure that even efficient producers like Nucor can't completely escape. This structural headwind could pressure margins for years. Think this might be a problem? What are your thoughts on Nucor right now? Are you bullish or bearish? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below.